Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see external devices connected to Mac and check their battery percentage. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. What is CleanMyMac X? CleanMyMac X is a premium software available for Mac users to clean up junk files and optimize the performance of Mac. This is developed by a popular company, MacPaw. It has a clean and easy-to-use interface with ultimate features. It regularly implements new features to make the software more unique and powerful. This is compatible with all the latest versions of macOS. Features of CleanMyMac X: easy to use, professional and clean interface, cleans GBs of junk files in a single click, assist you in installing, updating, and uninstalling applications completely, provides clear information regarding the connected external devices. Pricing: CleanMyMac X is available in 3 plans based on the number of Macs. All the 3 plans can be purchased in 1-year license and one-time purchase. These are the prices of 1-year license. And these are the prices of one-time purchase. How to see and free up space of external devices connected to Mac. Open any browser on your Mac and visit the official site of CleanMyMac X. Check description for the link. Purchase and download the application onto your Mac. After successful installation of the application, you will find the logo of CleanMyMac X on the top menu bar. Connect an external drive or device to your Mac, and click on the CleanMyMac X. Then CleanMyMac X panel will open as shown in the tutorial. On the right bottom of that panel, you will find the Connected Devices section. There it displays the name of the connected disks or devices. Click on that panel. Then another tab will open with few more details of the connected drives. From there, you can know about the storage details and also you can eject the drive. Click on the Organize option. Then the CleanMyMac X application will launch and shows the storage occupied by files in a graphical way. From there, you can check in the files that you want to delete from the drive. Later, click on Remove to initiate the deletion process. It starts deleting the files one by one. And after the completion of deletion process, you will find the interface as shown in the tutorial. This is how you can see and free up space of external devices connected to Mac. How to see the battery percentage of external device connected to Mac. Firstly, connect the external device to your Mac. I'm connecting EarPods to my Mac, and here is the process. Click on the Control Center icon available on the top menu. An options list will open. Click on the Bluetooth option from that list. And move the slider to turn on the Bluetooth. Now, it shows all the available Bluetooth devices. Select the device from that list to pair them with Mac. Now, click on the CleanMyMac X logo available on the top menu. Then a panel will open with lots of options. On the bottom of that panel, you will find the Connected Devices option with the names of connected devices. Click on it. It pop up the Connected Devices window, and shows the detailed view of all the external devices connected to your Mac. From there, you can see the battery percentage of the external device as shown in the tutorial. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.